In today's video, we're walking you through how to create a Shopify store in Albania. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to expand your business online, this guide will help you navigate the unique aspects of setting up a store in Albania. We'll cover setting up your Shopify account, configuring payment gateways tailored to the Albanian market, shipping options for local and international customers, legal and tax considerations in Albania, customizing your store for local appeal, marketing strategies to reach Albanian customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks to help your store succeed. So let's start building your online business in Albania. Here are the key steps to create a Shopify store in Albania. Setting up your Shopify account. 1. Sign up for a Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and starting a free trial. 2. During sign up, select Albania as your country of operation. 3. Choose a plan. Shopify offers a $1 month for 3 months trial to get started. 4. Set up your store details like store name, business address, etc. Configuring payments. Setting up payments can be challenging for Albanian merchants, but there are some options. 1. Stripe is recommended but not directly available in Albania. You may need to set up a US business entity to use Stripe. 2. Consider alternative payment gateways that work in Albania. Check Shopify's list of supported payment providers for Albania. 3. Paysera is an option that works in Albania, but approval can take up to a month. 4. PayPro is another potential payment solution for Albanian merchants. Setting up shipping. 1. Configure your shipping zones and rates for Albania and international destinations. 2. Popular carriers that ship to Albania include USPS, FedEx, and UPS. 3. Consider offering cash on delivery as a payment option, as it's common in Albania. Legal and tax considerations. 1. Register your business in Albania if you haven't already. 2. Set up tax rates according to Albanian regulations. The standard VAT rate is 20% for most products. 3. Familiarize yourself with Albania's e-commerce laws, including the e-commerce law 1001/28 and consumer protection law 99902. Customizing your store. 1. Choose and customize a theme for your store. 2. Add your products and organize them into collections. 3. Set up your domain name. Either use a.com or consider a .al domain for local appeal. Marketing and promotion. 1. Set up social media accounts to promote your store. 2. Consider local marketing strategies that work well in Albania. 3. Optimize your store for search engines to improve visibility. Remember that while e-commerce is growing in Albania, it's still in its early stages. Be prepared to educate customers about online shopping and build trust in your brand. Additionally, keep in mind that Albania is predominantly a cash economy, which may affect online purchasing behavior. What are the best Shopify apps for Albanian stores? Here are some of the best Shopify apps that could be useful for Albanian stores. 1. Marketing and conversion apps. Klaviyo, email marketing and SMS for personalized email and SMS marketing campaigns. Facebook and Instagram to sell products on these popular social media platforms. TikTok to showcase products to TikTok's large user base. Pinterest to promote products on Pinterest. 2. Customer reviews. Looks for product reviews and ratings, including photo and video reviews. 3. Store design and customization. Pagefly landing page builder for creating custom landing pages and store sections. 4. Cross-selling and upselling. Bold product options for customizing product options and variations. UFE cross-sell and upsell bundle to increase sales through personalized recommendations. 5. Customer engagement. Jebit for creating interactive quizzes to match customers with products. 6. Mobile app. Consider a mobile app builder, as mobile usage is growing in Albania. 7. Analytics. Use a store analytics app to track performance and customer behavior. When choosing apps, consider the following factors for the Albanian market. E-commerce is still in its early stages in Albania, so focus on apps that can help educate customers about online shopping and build trust. Cash on delivery is a common payment method, so consider apps that support this option. Social media usage is high in Albania, particularly Instagram and Facebook, so prioritize apps that integrate well with these platforms. Given the preference for in-store shopping, consider apps that bridge the gap between online and offline experiences. Remember to evaluate each app carefully before installation, as uninstalling apps can sometimes leave behind code that may interfere with your store's functionality. Also, keep in mind that while there are many Shopify stores in Albania, 443 as of the latest data, the e-commerce market is still developing. So choose apps that can help you stand out and provide excellent customer service. Which Shopify apps are most popular among Albanian stores? Here are some of the most popular Shopify apps used by stores in Albania. 1. Instagram, used by 51.1% of Shopify stores in Albania. 2. Facebook, used by 28.1% of Shopify stores in Albania. 3. TikTok, used by 17.9% of Shopify stores in Albania. 4. Email marketing apps. 48% of Shopify stores in Albania have an email on their website, suggesting widespread use of email marketing apps. 5. Shipping apps. The top shipping carriers used are USPS, 5.2% of stores, FedEx, 2.9% of stores, and UPS, 2.7% of stores. 6. Social media integration apps. Given the high usage of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. 7. Language translation apps to support selling internationally. 8. Payment gateway apps. Paysera and PayPro are mentioned as options for Albanian stores. 9. Mobile app builders. Apps like Vajro and ShopNe are popular for converting Shopify stores to mobile apps. 10. Product review apps, like Looks for collecting product reviews and ratings. These categories appear to be widely used based on data about Albanian Shopify stores. Social media, email marketing, and shipping integrations are particularly common. Are there any Shopify apps that are particularly popular among Albanian retailers? Information about Shopify apps that are particularly popular among Albanian retailers. 1. Social media integration apps. Facebook is used by 29.0% of Shopify stores in Tirana, Albania. TikTok is used by 18.5% of Shopify stores in Tirana, Albania. While not specifically mentioned for Tirana, Instagram is used by 51.1% of Shopify stores in Albania overall. These statistics suggest that social media integration apps, particularly for Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, are popular among Albanian retailers. 2. International payment apps. There seems to be a demand for apps that facilitate international payments. Albanian retailers are looking for solutions to operate internationally with successful payment methods. This indicates that payment gateway apps that support international transactions might be popular. 3. Nihao Pay app. While not explicitly stated as popular, the Nihao Pay app is mentioned as a Shopify integration that's bridging the e-commerce payment gap in Albania. This suggests that payment apps tailored to the Albanian market, or those that facilitate cross-border transactions, might be gaining traction. It's important to note that the e-commerce landscape in Albania is still developing, with 443 live Shopify stores reported as of September 13, 2024. This relatively small number suggests that the market is still growing and app preferences may be evolving. Given the limited specific information about app popularity, Albanian retailers likely use a mix of globally popular Shopify apps and those that address specific local needs, particularly in areas of social media, integration, and international payment processing. Which Shopify apps are most recommended by Albanian e-commerce communities? Apps that might be valuable for Albanian e-commerce businesses. 1. Payment gateway apps. Albanian Shopify store owners seem particularly interested in payment solutions. Apps that facilitate international payments and cater to the Albanian market are likely to be recommended. Some options mentioned include Nihao Pay app. This app is bridging the e-commerce payment gap in Albania, offering seamless and secure payment options. Paysera payment app. This app is described as revolutionizing Shopify payments in Albania. Laybys. This app is transforming the e-commerce experience in Albania by providing flexible payment options. 2. Social media integration apps. While not specifically recommended by Albanian communities, social media integration apps are likely popular given the global trends in e-commerce. Apps that integrate with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok might be valuable for Albanian merchants. 3. International shipping apps. Given the focus on international payments, apps that facilitate international shipping and logistics might also be recommended within Albanian e-commerce communities. 4. Language and currency apps. Apps that help with language translation and currency conversion could be valuable for Albanian stores looking to sell internationally. 5. General e-commerce optimization apps. While not specific to Albania, some generally recommended Shopify apps that might be valuable include No Fraud for fraud prevention, Ultimate Badges, Ultimate Free Shipping Bar, Image Bulk Resizer, and Optimizer, Order Printer. It's important to note that the e-commerce landscape in Albania is still developing, and specific app recommendations may evolve as the market matures. Albanian merchants are likely looking for apps that can help them overcome local challenges while also enabling them to compete in the global marketplace. What are the best Shopify apps for payment gateways in Albania? Here are some of the best Shopify payment gateway options for stores in Albania. 1. UCPay. This payment gateway is specifically mentioned as being available across Albania, catering to diverse regional payment preferences and meeting local regulatory requirements. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify and offers enhanced payment processing for Albanian merchants. 2. Paysera Payment App. This app is described as revolutionizing Shopify payments in Albania. The partnership between Shopify and Paysera streamlines the transaction process for Albanian e-commerce businesses. 3. 2Checkout. While not specifically mentioned for Shopify, it's listed as a payment option for Albania in e-commerce platforms. 4. PayPal Checkout. This is another option available for Albanian e-commerce businesses. 5. Cryptocurrency options. Plizio, which accepts payments in cryptocurrencies, and Pay with Zum XRPL are mentioned as potential payment options for Albania. It's important to note that Shopify provides a list of available payment gateways for Albania, which merchants can access through their Shopify admin panel. While not all of these are necessarily apps, they are integrated payment solutions that work with Shopify. For Albanian merchants looking to expand internationally, it's worth considering payment gateways that facilitate international transactions. Some Shopify apps integrate multiple payment options, which could be beneficial for reaching a global customer base. Lastly, there are companies that specialize in Shopify payment gateway integration services for Albania. These services can help merchants set up and customize payment solutions that best fit their specific needs and comply with local regulations. Remember to thoroughly research each option and consider factors such as transaction fees, currency conversion, and customer support before choosing a payment gateway for your Shopify store in Albania. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and help your store become successful.